Yes, students. Next question. Two quantities are measured. One plus or minus 0.2, B 2 plus or minus 0.2. The correct value of root AB. Asking question here. This model questions important, students. Deciding questions. Seed deciding questions. Please concentrate. Y equal to root A into B given in the question. Let us consider resultant physical quantity Y. So now what we are going to calculate is Y plus or minus delta Y asking question. So first Y how to calculate means under root of A into B true values. 1 here, 2 here, 1 into 2, that means root 2. Root 2 value you know 1.414, but all options is given 1 digit only 1.1 true value. Delta Y how to calculate means this step is very important, students. Error in measurement of Y, delta Y by Y equal to root A into B means 1 by 2 into delta A by A plus delta B by B. So now here 1 by 2 into delta A by A. Here delta A is 0.2 given in the question by 1 plus delta B is nothing but 0.2 by 2, students. That means 1 by 2 into 0.2 by 1 is 0.2 plus 0.2 by 2 is nothing but 0.1 only. So that means here you will get 0.3 by 2. This is delta Y by Y. What is Y? What is delta Y, students? Delta Y equal to cross multiplication Y into 0.3 by 2. So Y value is already we calculated 1.4. So 1.4 into 0.3 by 2. So 2 into 0.7, 0.7 into 2 into here 0.7, 0.7 into 3, 7 into 3, 2.1. So 0.2 only, no? So after simplification, 7 into 3 is 21, 0.2. You see options here 0.15 wrong, students, 0.1 alone wrong, 0.4, 0.21 is nothing but this is only here answer. So 1.4 true value plus or minus 0.2. Delta Y value is 0.2. Y value is 1.4. So 1.4 plus or minus 0.2. So this is answer for this question option 1, students. Again I am saying these questions, deciding questions, rank deciding questions, seat deciding question, medical seat nowadays not easy, students. Seat deciding questions slowly, fastly within 1 minute calculate. Next, students, next question, it is direct only this one. Linear mass density has dimensional formula. Just linear mass density means mass per unit length. So mass dimensional formula capital M, length dimensional formula capital L. So that means m L power minus 1 T power 0. M L power minus 1 T power 0, L power minus 1 T power 0, fourth option given, students. M L power minus 1 T power 0. So it is easy question only. Yes, linear mass density. Next question, students. So if linear momentum P, area of cross section A and time T taken as fundamental quantities, energy has the dimensional formula. Very important. Same model questions we discussed above. Energy is directly proportional to momentum P to the power of X and area of cross section A to the power of Y, time T to the power of Z. Let us consider. So energy is nothing but ml square T power of minus 2. Momentum dimensional formula mass into velocity. So ml T power minus 1 mass into velocity power X. A is area of cross section L square power Y and time T to the power of Z. Now students, here it is directly proportional to m to the power of x, it is okay, L to the power of x plus 2y and T to the power of minus x plus z. Just a simplification, students. Here m power 1 is nothing but x equal to 1 only. No doubt. X plus 2y equal to 2. X plus 2y equal to 2. X is 1. 1 plus 2y equal to 2. So y equal to how much is nothing but 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Okay. Just x equal to 1 substitute here. Minus x plus z equal to minus 2. Minus 1 plus z equal to minus 2. So z equal to minus 1, students. So now here x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2, z equal to minus 1. You see here p power of 1, a power of 1 by 2, t power minus 1, option 4 is given. So no need to calculate. For understanding all I explained. So within x equal to 1 is nothing but all these two options, this second option is eliminated, no need. Y equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but y equal to 1 by 2, second answer only, from here only can you calculate. Y equal to 1 by 2 given only one option, a to the power of 1 by 2, that's all. No need to calculate that also, within 1 minute you can easily answer. Yes, students, now one more theory question here. Consider the statements which regard significant figures and choose the correct option. All non-zero digits are significant. Yes, students, it is correct statement. All zeros appearing between two non-zero digits. Yes, 1.002. 1.002 is 4 significant figure. All zeros appearing between non-zero digits are significant. It is also correct, students. So significant figures related, there are 5 rules are there. So please revise. So now here these two statements is correct only. Both 1 and 2 correct statements, students. Yes. Next also easy question. The number of significant figures in value 0.05. It is also easy, students. 1. So if value is less than 1, all zeros to the left side of or left and right side, these all zeros are non-significant. So significant figure here it is 1 only. Yes, just now I told significant figures rules. There are 5 rules are there. Please revise that one. Next, students. Now here, in certain system, the units of length, mass, time chosen as 1 centimeter, 100 grams and 10 seconds. Unit of kinetic energy. So these questions also very important, students. Deciding question, conversion of units related. Now kinetic energy asking. Normal kinetic energy means ml square t power of minus 2 dimensional formula. So that means ml kinetic energy ml square by t square. Now here unit of length is 1 centimeter given. Unit of mass is 100 grams is given. Mass here 100 grams. Okay. Unit of length 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter square here is nothing but 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square. Why? Because square given. By t. T is 10 seconds given. 10 seconds square is nothing but 100 second square. 10 square, students. So here 100, here 100 is cancelled. Gram centimeter square by second square. So gram centimeter square second square is nothing but energy CGS unit only. Energy SI unit is kg meter square by second square. Now here gram centimeter square by second square is nothing but it is CGS unit of energy only. It is equal to 1 erg, students. Now here given 1 erg, third option. Very important, students, please. Next question. The distance traveled by tiger is measured as s equal to 100 meters plus or minus 0.1 meter time t equal to 10 plus or minus 0.1 second. Average speed under permissible limit error. So very important, students. So average speed V average equal to total displacement by total time. Like previous one problem I explained, true value. What is the displacement? 100 meters. What is the time here? 10. So what is the value here is nothing but 10 meters. So 10 meters here one option given, 10 meters here one option given, this two only. So remaining all two options here wrong only. Yes. Next, after how to calculate error in measurement of average velocity delta V means I told delta V by V equal to S by T means delta S by S plus delta T by T. Now here delta V by V, delta V equal to V into delta S by S, delta S 0.1 by S is 100 plus delta T is 0.1 by 10. So V actual value is 10 only. 10 into 0.1 by 100 is nothing but 0.001, 0.01, 0.001, 0.00, 0.01. Just listen students. Now here 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1 here by 10 power minus 2 means 10 power minus 3. Plus here 10 power minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 10 power minus 2. So 10 multiplied inside here, 10 into 10 power of minus 2, 10 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2, 10 into 10 power, 10 power minus 1. So after simplification here it is 0.01, 0.1, 0.11 students, 0.01, 0.1, 0.11. So 0.11 option here it is given. So direct. Okay students, normal simplification students. Now here average speed delta V is nothing but 0.11 and V is nothing but 10 students. I think this point clear now. 10 power minus 1 by 100 is nothing but 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 10 power minus 2. Normal multiplication, you will get answer. Yes students, next question. Again vernier calipers related, only one formula. 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division difference. Now here question given. If vernier calipers n vernier scale divisions coincide, n VSD vernier scale divisions coincide, n minus 2 main scale divisions. That means 1 VSD equal to how much means n minus 2 by n MSD. Just the cross multiplication, 1 VSD. So what is least count is nothing but least count equal to 1 MSD. 1 MSD given in the question A students are 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 VSD is nothing but here it is n minus 2 by n MSD. So MSD here common, okay. 1 minus n minus 2 by n, correct no? So now here n minus n after simplification. Now one MSD given A students, then after this MSD given A, n minus into minus plus 2 by n students. Just this n is cancelled. A into 2 by n. So that means 2a by n. What is the least count is 2a by n millimeters. So it is given option 2. Simplification important students. Many students here this part also confusing. So this simplification deciding question after firstly also accurate, please calculate answer. Okay. So a into n minus n minus into minus plus 2 by n. So 2a by n millimeters, second option. Next, same model questions we discussed students. Delta z by z equal to 3 into delta a by a plus 1 by 2 into delta b by b plus delta c by c plus 2 into delta d by d. So that means 3 into delta a by a given in the question 1% plus 1 by 2 into delta b by b given 2%, delta c by c 3%, 2 into delta d by d is 1%. So that means 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9, 9%, second option given. Easy students, easy model question. Next students, energy E of an oscillating body in simple harmonic motion depends on mass m, frequency n and amplitude a. So energy E is directly proportional to E equal to K. M is given here, it is M is mass, students. Okay, M to the power of X. N is frequency. Frequency means 1 by time period, students. So 1 by time period is nothing but t to the power of minus 1 minus y. Direct I am writing in terms of time period, students. Don't confuse. And A is given amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but L only, length. L to the power of Z. Okay. Actual dimensional formula of energy is what? ml square t power of minus 2 equal to K constant only, students. M to the power of x, t to the power of minus y, L to the power of z. Now here asking dimensional constant, then the value of 2x plus y plus z. X equal to here, x equal to 1, students. Y equal to here, very important, y t power, students. So y equal to 2. What about z is nothing but z also 2. Now here 2x, 2 into 1 plus y, 2 plus z, 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 6. So answer here 6, third option, students. Answer for this question 6. Next question. The angle subtended at the center of circle by arc equal to length of the radius of circle. Very important, students. Here circular motion, angle subtended circle by arc equal to length. So radius, arc length same only given. This is R, this is also R. Now question is asking what is the angle subtended? This angle is asking. Normal, students. So angle theta equal to arc length by radius. Arc length by radius. So here arc length is R only, radius also R only. So theta equal to radians, 1 radian, students. Plane angle radians, answer is 1 radian. Don't confuse, students, 1 degree also given. No, students. Now here radians, plane angle is radians. Degree is wrong, students. Steradian is solid angle. 1 minute complete wrong only. Now here answer is 1 radian. Next one, students, dimensions of force. Force is given F equal to A log B by X. Please remember principle of homogeneity, trigonometry functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions, no dimensional formula. Yes. Now here question asking what is the dimensions of B, students? What is the dimensions of B asking? So that means log B by X is nothing but this logarithm is function, no dimensional formula. That means B by X is no dimensional formula, n power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Just cross multiplication, X is given, X represents position only. That means L only. From here B equal to m power 0, it is okay. But X is nothing but L, students, L and T power of 0. So this is the dimensional formula of B. It is given m L T power of 0, second option, students. Again I am saying these questions also deciding questions. Same question if they ask what is the dimensional formula of A means dimensional formula of A and force same only, students. What is the dimensional formula of A? If they ask what is the dimensional formula of A means ml T power of minus 2 only, force only. Two physical quantities added, subtracted or equated having same dimensional formula. Yes, students. Next one, a physical quantity y depends the quantities x and z, y equal to, yes, next question also principle of homogeneity, y equal to ax plus b sine cz. Just now I told trigonometry functions, no dimensional formula. Yes, now you see dimensional formula of y equal to dimensional formula of ax. Why? Because these two are equated. Ax dimensional formula, y same only. First option correct. Don't see only first students. Complete all also given. Read careful question. See all options students. Very, very important. Next, y and b same dimensions given. Yes. Why? Because trigonometry functions no dimensional formula. Dimensional formula of y and dimensional formula of b also same students. Second also correct. Dimensional formula for c and z minus 1 same. Yes. Cz no dimensional formula. Cz no dimensional formula. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Why? Because it is trigonometric function. So c equal to here. Z take this side is nothing but z power minus 1. Yes. Third option also correct. So answer for this question is all the above students. Many students, I observed many students, first option they will see, first option only they will put answer, but see all options also very important. Please note. So this is about this question. Now, I think it's clear students. Now question, some physical quantity are given in column 1 and column 2. It is easy question students. Dimensional formulas, you know this question easy only. Angular momentum, MVR. MVR, angular momentum L equal to MVR. Dimensional formula M L T power minus 1 into L ML square T power minus 1. First option only given. Okay. That means column 2 first only given. Density mass per unit volume B3. Now A1 related two options given students. B3 is nothing but here's third option only given. Just this two is enough for this question. Pressure is nothing but force per unit area. Pressure is force per unit area. Force is ml t power minus 2. Area of cross section L square. So ml power minus 1 t power of minus 2. Pressure here it is 4 students. And now here D is energy ml square t power minus 2 d2. So it is given. Third option. Easy question students. Easy question. Now a wire of mass is little, that means this question is calculation related questions. A wire has mass is given and radius is given, length is given, percentage error of measurement of density. Density equal to mass by volume. But here radius and length is given. So mass is m by volume is nothing but area of cross section into length. Mass it is okay. Area of cross section in terms of radius pi r square into L. So error in measurement of density delta rho by rho equal to delta m by m plus 2 into delta r by r plus delta L by L. This constant only. No change students. Yes. Just value substitution only here. Delta rho by rho equal to delta m is given 0.003 by m is 0.3 plus 2 into delta r is here 0.005 by 0.5 plus delta L 0.06 by 6. See here easy simplification only given students. So NEET point of view within 1 minute means easy simplification only they will give. It is easy only students. You can easily calculate. So now here 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 6. Now this 6 is cancelled. 5 is cancelled. 10 power minus 2 here. 3 cancelled. 10 power minus 2 here. So 10 power minus 2 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2 plus 10 power of minus 2. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2 common. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but 4 students. So 4 into 10 power of minus 2. 4 into 10 power minus 2 convert into percent, 4%. Okay. So within 1 minute you can easily calculate, and calculation easy only they will give students. Don't worry. Yes, this is about about this question answer. Now, again, Vernier calipers related question here it is given. Now this question, Vernier calipers was found fourth division of main scale coincide fifth division of Vernier scale. So 5 Vernier scale divisions equal to 4 main scale divisions. Given condition, fourth division of main scale coincide fifth division of Vernier scale. So 1 VSD equal to how much students? 4 by 5 main scale divisions. Least count. So least count equal to 1 MSD. 1 MSD given here 1 unit. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is 4 by 5 times of MSD. 4 by 5 times of MSD. So now here 1 MSD 1 unit. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1 by 5 MSD units. So 1 by 5 units it is given second option students. Easy. We discussed above also some questions. Next students, the dimensional formula of pressure gradient. Gradient students, please concentrate. Gradient term is nothing but per unit length here. Pressure gradient means pressure per unit length students. Gradient means per unit length. So pressure, force per unit area of cross section, m L power minus 1, T power minus 2 pressure per unit length is nothing but L only. So now here m L power minus 2, T power minus 2, it is given fourth option students. So after simplification here it is m L power minus 2, T power of minus 2. Yes students, pressure gradient means pressure per unit length, that point remember. Next, among the following statements incorrect. Accuracy of measurement is closeness of observed values to the true value. Correct students. Accuracy is how measured value is close to true value. Correct. Next, as we reduce errors, measurements of accuracy increases. Yes students. Errors decreases means accuracy increases. Correct. Smaller is the least count, greater is the precision. Smaller is least count. Least count less is nothing but precision is more. Yes, for example, see here 0.01, 0.001. So here value smaller the least count here it is less means precision. Precision means if you add 1 unit here is nothing but more precision students. Correct only. This is more precise than this one. Correct only this also. More accurate measurements must have high precision. Must wrong students. More accurate measurements must have high precision. It is wrong. So remaining all 100% correct. Now here fourth option is incorrect students. Read this also correct and incorrect. Incorrect option here it is fourth one. Yes students. Now assertion reason question. Light year and astronomical units both measure time. Wrong students. Both measure distance students. Light year, light traveled distance in 1 year. Distance students. Astronomical unit also it is the distance between earth and sun. So it is also distance only. Time is wrong. Both light year and astronomical units is very small units. No students. It is large units. Light travel 1 year. So distance long. Distance between earth and sun also long students. It is units is not small units, big units. So this is also wrong. So assertion is wrong and reason also wrong. Here both assertion and reason false statements. Option 4 is correct. Yes. So same model questions we discussed. The relation between power distance x and time t, power p equal to b plus x square by a into t, dimensions of b by a. Dimensional formula of b and x square same students. So b dimensional formula is L square. Dimensional formula of A here. A how to calculate means pressure P equal to numerator B x square same dimensions only L square by A into time dimensional formula T. So from here A equal to L square by P into T. L square it is okay pressure power students. Power is nothing but energy per unit time. Energy per unit time ml square t power of minus 3 into t here. That means this L square is cancelled. A dimensional formula I am saying. A dimensional formula is m power of minus 1. T power of minus 2 take up means t power of 2. So what is the dimensional formula of B by A is nothing but B by A. B is L square by A is nothing but m power minus 1 t power of 2. That means m L square t power of minus 2. M L square t power minus 2, first option only given, students. Please concentrate. Now here B by A, B x square same dimensional formula. A dimensional formula, how you calculate means by using this one. Yes, students. Next one, y equal to product of A into B. Maximum percentage error in the measurement of y asking.